Hi, welcome to the complete ASP.NET MVC5 course. My name is Mosh Hamedani, and I'm going to be your instructor in this course. I'm a software engineer with 15 years of professional experience specializing in web application development. And at the time of recording this, I'm author of 8 5-star courses on Udemy. In this course, you will learn how to build and deploy fast and secure web applications with ASP.NET MVC5. Whether you're absolutely new to ASP.NET MVC or have some experience but are looking for a comprehensive course to fill the gaps, you're going to love this course. More specifically, you will learn how to work with building blocks of ASP.NET MVC like controllers, actions, routing, and views. You will learn how to build forms with validation, how to implement CRUD operations, build RESTful services with ASP.NET Web API, implement authentication and authorization using ASP.NET Identity, use powerful jQuery plugins, optimize the performance of your applications, build and deploy, and a lot more. And you're going to learn all this as part of building a real-world application. Now, in order to take this course, you should be pretty comfortable with C#. At a minimum, you should know your Lambda expressions and LINQ. You should also have some basic familiarity with web application development, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery, but you don't have to be an expert in any of these. So if you want to learn how to build and deploy fast and secure web applications, take this course and let's get started. I hope to see you in the course.